What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to add a like or a dislike button to the bottom of our WordPress posts, pages or custom post types in a very simple, easy, effective and free method, okay? So before we can start, let me show you that, let me explain for you a little bit more about it. Normally, I start hating plugin for the posts, a like button for the posts, helps to engage the users, helps to make users interact really with your site. So it's recommended if you are a blogger, okay, or if you want to have buttons into the products for your shop. It's very recommended, okay? So I recommend that you apply this in the case that you want to create this engagement. So before we can start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, okay? So let's get it started. First of all, go to our WordPress dashboard, okay? I always like to start the videos on the dashboard because it makes equal for everyone, and explore the left side menu of your screen. Scroll it down a little bit until you find this option right here called plugins, okay? Once plugins, hover your mouse over it and click on add new. Right here we're gonna type like button heading, okay? And this is the guide that we're gonna be installing, the like button headed core like bin. Click on install. After this, click on activate. The plugin gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page. As soon as the page refresh, and if you go to your posts, let me show you, into the blog, for example. Let me find a new post on our blog. If you go to a blog post on your website, you can see there's like button right here, okay? So you can share the content, you can close, and you can dislike in the case that you don't like the post. Okay, so very simple. However, in the case that you want to customize the plugin, you're gonna need to create an account on the plugin's developer site, and this is what we're gonna do. So register on likebdn.com. Let me go to the page. Seems like the button isn't working, so let's copy the page URL and post right here. Okay. They ask us to register, so I'm gonna assume that the button is called get the code. So we can change the theme in the case that we want. Let's move this website plan for free. The theme can be this one. I don't want to edit that much. Maybe we can change the colors. Interesting. We can create a custom theme in the case that we want. Very interesting. And they generate the code so we can apply to the website. But let's get it started. So we're gonna click right here into the menu of their website, to the login, and go to the register page. Right here we're gonna need to enter our email and password. So remember to click into the agree with policy, privacy and terms, click on register. User has been created successfully. I need to enter with the domain name. So let me grab the domain name. And as soon as you enter the domain name, you need to copy the API key and the site ID. And enter the website address, the email on their account. Check account data. Okay, don't forget to save change, so click on save change. As you can see, our trail gonna expire in 7 days, so we're gonna switch for the free plan now. Let's type free. And we are using the free plan, okay? So let's check if we can do the edits right now. As you can check, this is the plugin. We can enable the like button that is already enabled by default, but now we're gonna be able to edit the button. We can use the custom theme or custom image. We can make the button bigger, for example. Can make the font a little bigger. And the icon a little bigger either. We can select an image in the case that we want. We can change the like button color, the voting color, the dislike color, the border color, the font family, the label style, the language. We can remove the dislike buttons in the case that you don't like this. We can change the content type, for example, a percentage. This is nice. We can change for a vertical layout. It may be good according to your blog style, okay? We can change the text. We can remove the branding if you are a pro user. We can do a voting animation. And this is one of my favorite settings, okay? The Google Read Snippets. This is really good. Do you know when you search for something on Google, for example, a food recipe, okay? So a meat recipe, and you see they start hating directly on the Google search results. This is a Google Read Snippet, and I do recommend that you apply this because it's gonna help Google to structure your content and rank it higher, okay? So the horizontal alignment, I like this to the left, but it's good to know. We can change the vertical alignment, so it can be in the top of the content, to the bottom, or to the top and bottom, okay? Moreover, we have another options right here. We can exclude the like button for some categories of our blog posts, okay? We can track the vote by username or IP. We can show to all or show to all only to logged in users, for example. There's some miscellaneous right here. Let's save change. And this is only for posts. In the case that you want to do it for pages, select page and you can enable or disable this for pages. Same thing in the case that you want to have it enabled for your WooCommerce products, your attachments, your portfolio, your custom post types. It changes according to your needs. All you have to do in the case that you don't like it is unselect this option right here and remove this from the posts list. And let's check our new stylish button. And here we go. So we have 2 votes, 1 dislike and 1 like. Simple, easy and effective. Works pretty well, okay? It works nice on mobile as well. Let's explore a little bit more of their settings. We have the statistics. you must upgrade to Pro in order to collect more statistics. We're gonna keep it for free. We can explore the votes, okay? This is really nice, okay? You can have some information about the one who voted, when they voted, the IP, okay? It's really interesting, but you may need to describe this on your policy privacy compliance, okay? Because you are collecting the IP. We have some reports. Everyone likes graphics. We have the widgets. This is gonna be exploring in another video, but it's good to know. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the borderless WordPress plugin, okay? In order to install it, just go to our WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search for borderless, install it and activate. And absolutely for free, you're gonna gain more widgets, elements, templates, and tools for your favorite page builder. And even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click only. In addition, in the case that you are in needs of an amazing free WordPress theme in order to create your site, your store, your landing page, or your sales page, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, add new, search for Enzo WordPress theme, click on install, activate it, and go happy because this theme gonna gives you lots of templates, pre-built websites, mobile optimization, SEO friendly code, and many more topics that not even premium themes have. And as a final note, in the case that there are needs of your site up and running faster, and you would like to choose from hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, hundreds of sections, thousands of pages, premium icons, lots of customization options, and our full support, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass product, and go premium. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!